Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a pair of pants that are going to be dressy, adorable, and comfortable, look no further. These Grace Karen cropped paper bag waist pants are so adorable. I already think that high waist pants can be super flattering, but I love the paper bag waist with the tie that you're able to tie a big bow. It is just super cute. And these pockets are deep, so they are totally functional. I have them here in the color yellow, which is so gorgeous. I am obsessed with it. And they're a size medium, which I am normally a medium or a small. So I find that these fit true to size. And with that elastic waist and the tie, you're able to really adjust the waist as need be. Looks super cute with a shirt tucked in, with a blazer. You're really able to dress these pants up or down, and they are cropped. So I'm pretty short in the legs, so they are a little cropped on me, but that length makes it really nice if you want to wear like an ankle boot, or you can wear flats or heels. The possibilities with these pants are really endless. They are just so adorable, fancy for a night out, and also completely comfortable. These pants are so beautiful. I love Grace Karen. The quality is fantastic. I'm obsessed with this color, and you just can't beat that comfort. I think that you're going to fall in love with them too, but that's just my point of view.